Here I have JAECOO5, and on this example let me show you how to set driver door only unlock on JAECOO cars. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's find and select the settings. This is this icon with the car. On the left side, you need to choose the vehicle settings, and then let's scroll down to door lock settings. So as you can see here, you can enable the unlock driver door only. This switcher right here. This is an advanced anti-theft and personal safety feature. When enabled, pressing the unlock button on your key fob once will only unlock the driver's door. To unlock the rest of the passenger doors and trunk, you have to press the unlock button a second time. This prevents strangers from slipping into the passenger side when you get in. So it's quite useful. Let me leave it like that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.